guys, today I'm doing slime pet peeves, so let's get started. But before we get started, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you think about my pet peeves. So let's get started. When you lie about the thumbnail. When you don't know how to make a swirl. When your slime's too close up. When you don't take your slime out of the container. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you my slime, and look at, we're not gonna kit it out because it's too precious. 10 minutes later. And yeah, that's all about my slime, so bye. When you play with it too aggressively. When beads go everywhere. Okay, that's crazy. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked my video. And comment down below if there's more slime pet peeves that I missed. And bye, guys.